Molweni Bafundi, video 26, and we continue with counting, and to date we have counted the following. Umfundi, abafundi, one pupil, more than one, and it came across as mnye, babini, batatu, 1, 2, 3. Or I can see omnye, ababini, abatatu. So we can see how the has become om, and the aba has remained aba. Then we counted umti and imiti, trees and trees, and we counted them as follows: mnye, mibini, mitatu. So from umti we had mnye, and from imiti we had mibini, etc. On to isixhenxe, isibhozo, and so on. And when we used ndibona, I can see, or I want, or I like, or whatever, or I own. Ndibona omnye, so the has become om, the imi has become emi. Ndibona emibini, emitatu, and when we came to 7, not emisixhenxe, but esixhenxe. And then we went on to ilitye, amatye, stone or stones. Ili became linye, only one. Mabini, matatu. But when we got to 7, it wasn't masixhenxe, but sixhenxe, sibhozo. Ndibona ilitye elinye, I can see 1, amabini, 2, amatatu, 3, but not amasixhenxe, but just sixhenxe. So now we are going to move on, and we are going to count isitulo, and izitulo, and you can guess it that the isi and the z are now going to play a prominent part. And we ask the question, zingaphi izitulo, how many are there, and ubona izitulo ezingaphi. So the izi has become ezi. So if we look at these two pictures, we can see, right, there's only one chair, and because it is an isitulo, we therefore say sinye. But in the second picture, there are izitulo, so we count them by saying sinye, zibini. And then you look at the picture, and you can say, what do I see? Ndibona isitulo esinye, and ndibona izitulo ezibini. The next two pictures we can count sinye, zibini, zitatu. In the next picture, sinye, zibini, zitatu, zine. But what do I see in the picture? Ndibona izitulo ezitatu. Ndibona izitulo ezine. Let's look at the next sequence, and let's count the chairs, the izitulo. First one, sinye, zibini, zitatu, zine, zihlanu, izitulo. And then sinye, zibini, zitatu, zine, zihlanu, zitandatu, izitulo. But looking at the picture, what do we see? Ndibona izitulo ezihlanu. And in this picture, ndibona izitulo ezitandatu. In the next two pictures, let's count again. Sinye, zibini, zitatu, zine, zihlanu, zithandathu, zisixhenxe. There are 7 chairs, izitulo. In the next picture, sinye, zibini, zithathu, zine, zihlanu, zithandathu, zisixhenxe, zisibhozo, izitulo. And if we stand back and have a look at the picture, we can say that I see ndibona izitulo ezisixhenxe. And in this picture, I can stand back and say ndibona izitulo ezisibhozo. Alright, the last 2 pictures in this sequence. Let's count again. Sinye, zibini, zithathu, zine, zihlanu, zithandathu, zisixhenxe, zisibhozo, zilithoba, izitulo. And in the last picture, sinye, zibini, zithathu, zine, zihlanu, zithandathu, zisixhenxe, zisibhozo, zilithoba, zilishumi, izitulo. And then we stand back and we ask ourselves, what do we see? And in the first picture, ndibona izitulo ezilithoba. And in the next picture, ndibona izitulo ezilishumi. I'm sure you are starting to get the picture now. But you would count words such as, let me just see if I can raise this lot. Words like izitya, dishes, izihlangu, shoes, izikolo, schools, izandla, hands. Provided the word begins with izi or is, you will use this form of counting. So we have so far counted 4 different groups, and there is one more to go, which we will do in the final video, and then we will wrap it up with a big revision exercise. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.